I have like one thing that I want to share with you that you must bring with you when you're moving to Germany. And that is based on my 7 years of experience in Germany. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently on one of my videos, someone asked me a question. If I can prepare a list of items that one should bring when moving to Germany, or what are the important things a student should carry in his or her bag, when moving to Germany. And there was like a second part of that question as well, which said that, or if I could tell like one most important thing a student could carry and bring, with them to Germany. So I was like thinking like instead of replying that comment, it's better that I should make a video on that, because I really want to share that one thing that is super important for you to bring with you when you're moving to Germany. And, to be honest, like if you go on Google or YouTube, you'll find like tons of lists where people are suggesting that, when you move to Germany, you should bring your thermals or your underwears or, your jeans or sneakers or rice cookers or, cooking masalas and, toothbrush and creams and soaps and shampoos and, all that stuff. And I was wondering like, to be honest, let me tell you that I've been living here for the last 7 years. Everything is available in Germany. I mean, people here, they also use this kind of stuff, that's a surprise, right? So I'm just saying that, I completely understand, because some students, they might have this thing in their mind that, okay, when we are moving abroad, probably like, because especially from South Asia, the students from South Asia, they might think that because there's a huge currency exchange rate, huge difference between Europe and the South Asian countries. So it's better for them if they would do all the shopping in their respective countries instead of buying everything in Germany. Yeah, that's a very reasonable and a valid point. But trust me, there are a lot of stores in Germany, especially in big cities or in medium-sized cities, where these stores, they offer all kinds of kitchen utensils, household items, the stuff that we need for our daily lives, at least for the first 6 months or for the first year, at very economical and very reasonable prices. So that's not going to be a problem. You can buy everything here as well. So it's not going to be like a secret list, that you need to know that is a must for traveling to Germany. That's pretty much more or less the stuff that you use every day in your lives. But that's not the reason why I'm making this video. I have like one thing that I want to share with you that you must bring with you when you're moving to Germany. And, that is based on my 7 years of experience in Germany. So, and I haven't read it on Google or, or somewhere else or, saw in a video or something like that. That's just pure my experience. And I really do want to share this thing with you. And, here's that thing. The thing is that my recommendation to you, my suggestion to you, my request to you, that when you are moving to Germany, permanently, like for your studies or working here, or even for like 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, doesn't matter what the time period is, depends upon you. So this is one thing that you need to bring with yourself, and that is your will and motivation to personally develop yourself when you're here. Moving abroad, this is the best time and the best opportunity for your personal development. And I'm not saying at the moment that, that if you are right now like a less developed or any kind of like an inferior person to those as compared to who are currently living in Germany, that they are super developed. No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying that our lives, they are a constant work in progress, right? We keep on optimizing, we keep on learning things every day. So my honest suggestion is that, because I see a lot of people who come here and they just try to live in their bubble or their cocoon, and they just don't see the opportunities around them. So I just want to really, from the bottom of my heart, I'm just speaking my heart out. So it's not meant to criticize someone. I'm just saying to those prospective students, those young students who are coming here, who have ambitions and they really want to make it big in Germany, or actually, as a matter of fact, anywhere in the world. This rule, it doesn't apply only to Germany, because we are talking about Germany because I am based in Germany and you're coming to Germany, but it's for every country in the world, wherever you want to move. So, this will and motivation to develop yourself, that's the key. Because, when you'll come here, you'll find people from all parts of the world, like different cultures, different religions, different languages, different food, everything is different, and that's kind of like the fun part. This is the part that you have to actually explore and learn, but you got to come with this mindset that you really take this on, right? And you take it positively, instead of just coming here and just sitting with a bunch of your countrymen and just saying that, oh yeah, I'm feeling homesick, I don't like it, oh, they're like this, they're like that. So it's not bad to be with people from, who are like-minded or from your country. I'm not saying it, but I'm just saying it because I've seen loads of people here and they eventually end up, failing here. So that's my honest recommendation for everyone who is moving to Germany. This kind of mindset to personally develop yourself. And one thing I want to share as well, that, I'm not saying in any way that, people who are in Germany, or all the Germans or all the international immigrants or students who are in Germany, they're all super developed. I mean, of course, people who are living here, they need a lot of development as well. Like most of them, not all of them, but we need like a separate video for that. That's like a different topic. But now I'm addressing to you, like the prospective students especially. So I'm just, caring for you, and I really want to help you in that sense. So that's why take this suggestion in a very positive manner. So please don't forget to pack your will and motivation to personally develop yourself in your suitcase, and that's going to help you a lot. And in case still, if you need that list of sneakers or underwears or thermals, I will definitely kind of compile some stuff and I'll put it in the description box. I'll just try to remember the things that I brought or the things that I'm using in everyday life, but actually you are using more or less the same things. Yeah, that's kind of like my message for this video. And that's it. I mean, for those who are watching my videos for the very first time, so if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe it. And in the end, I'd just like to say thanks a lot for watching this video.